All right, man. I think we're ready to come in, folks. Wow, am I 2 minutes late? That's crazy. It's crazy when you have so much time. I feel I'm more likely to be late when I have time. What do we have an alert here, guys? Ooh, Chiller's World Chess Tourney starts in 59 minutes. Maybe I should join. Play online. Click on that and click the big green join button. I'm in, guys. I'm the first one in the tournament at 1695. I think I won the tournament last week, guys. I need you guys to freaking step up and make me pay. What are we gonna do? We're gonna get started with something. Let's just do it, man. Let's just do the 15-10 game. I love the 15-10 games, guys. A nice, relaxing 15-10. Whoa. Come on, chess.com. Don't get weird. There we go. What is going on, guys? I hope everything is awesome in everybody's life. I'm having a great day. I'm having a great day. I got a phone call from someone I love this morning. We had a great conversation. It says there's another hour left for the tourney to start. That's right, BC. There is another hour left for the tournament to start. It starts in 1 hour. Yeah. Exclamation point. I'm Ray. Exclamation point tournament. If I spelt that right, it should pop for you, brother. It should pop for you. The bot might take a second to warm up. I'll tell you this, I think I can go... Let me see here. I should have that copied and pasted anyway. Oh, there it is. There you go. Thank you, Nightbot. Join. I'm Ray. We're going to hang him out. Rakeem, welcome back, Rakeem. It's good to see you, my friend. You going to play the tournament today? I love Wednesdays. Guys, this is our 250th tournament on chess.com. And we do them once a week. That's solid, man. That's longevity. What's it called? We got a real history, guys. We've been doing this a long time. Okay, I'm going to start this game. So get in the tournament, guys. Get in the tournament. Hang out. I'm going to play some chess. We're going to have a great tournament. Definitely. Cool, Rakeem. I love it, brother. So what do you know? What do you do now? Go to Chillers. Go to Chess Chillers. You're already part of the group, right, VC? And join the tournament. And wait till it starts. There you go. Good. The bot is working perfectly. That's great. If you're already... Oh, wait. Unrated. No. Cancel. How do I cancel? There we go. Guys, I got it set for unrated. I got to go to custom challenge and take off unrated. Rated. But I don't want to start game yet. Because I want to go to here. And I want to get the link for the tournament for you guys. Here we go. Right here. Oh! Demon AK-47, dude, I love that name. It's so aggressive. Here's the link to the actual tournament if you are already part of the club Chess Chillers on chess.com. Benny, 5 years. Yeah, dude. 5 years plus, which it's more like 5.5 years. But it's tournament number 250 weekly. I don't think we've ever done more than one in a week, and we've skipped a couple. Play online. 15-10. Why does it say unrated? Custom challenge. Rated. Start. You got to do that? I have my coffee, right? Good, I have my coffee. D4, we play knight f6, guys. We're in a game. It starts at 4 o'clock. It starts in 53 minutes. This guy's playing his London because he learned it, guys. It got him to 1600. I'm sure he's proud of it. I think we go anyway. I think we go anyway, folks. I hope I won't lose too bad today. I have been losing to tactics. Rakim, you have 50 minutes to do some puzzles and get chess on your brain and your mind. Pawn takes might be a good move. Takes, 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 queen takes. It's a pawn sack. The knight looks good. Oh, wait. No. Pawn takes, takes. He plays bishop. Okay, that's probably a good move. I didn't see it. Wow. So now we're sacking a pawn. We're opening up our king. This is a really good move my opponent made. I moved too fast. I thought I could play it. I thought I could play e5, guys. Okay, now we got an uphill climb. That's okay. My queen is trapped. I have one. I can interpose this. It's better to interpose this. Right. Okay. I'm in so much trouble. This knight's... He's going to take and then bring this knight here. Takes. I think we play... Just bring the knight back, bro. Bring it back from Looney Land. Do we have anything for our pawn? We have open files. So we're looking at the opponent's king. He's just going to castle, which is going to suck. This pin is annoying. I kind of want to get rid of it so bad, but my king is going to get weakened. He castled. Thank goodness. I really needed that because... Okay, there we go. Okay, now my king is nice and weak. He's attacking stuff. He can attack it more. Right. I could play bishop. I could play king, and then he starts piling up on my pawnster. I could shove. Knight comes with check. And this, and then he, yeah, no, this is bad. This is really bad. This is, I'm losing. Oh, I'm losing so bad. He has knight check. This is forced, and then he has queen c2, and it's over. He brought bishop back. Cool. That was a horrible move. He had queen c2 winning, guys. Right? Develop my pieces, please. Thank you, sir. May I have another? My king is so weak. Right? Forced. Great. Queen comes. I'm going to attack the knight. This attacks the knight. Where does it go? Where does it go? But the thing is, I can't take it. He's on this pawn too. It's really bad. Okay. Now, king h7 threatens to win the knight. Right? And he's threatening to push. So I think I take. He's going to take with the pawn, and he's still going to be threatening to push. So we take a pawn. I can't. Okay. It's all really bad. It's all really, really bad. Attack the knight. He pushes. Then I take a pawn. And my king is just in mortal danger. I don't know why he didn't move. Dude, the queen for him. Queen c2, Thomas. He had queen c2. He made a mistake. It's always funny when people ask that to me, Thomas, right? When they say, why not this move? Oh, queen takes. So maybe here? Then he pushes. And I don't get the pawn. I could play... He's going to push. Well, no, now he's threatening the discovered attack, so I think this is a good move. He was threatening discovered attack. Takes, takes. He can't get on the knight again immediately, which is really good news. If he pushes, does he trap the rook? No, it has to come here, which is really bad. I'm losing, guys. I'm losing. Might be okay. This guy, I'm telling you, I think this guy had every chance to win. Yeah, so whenever someone says, like, why not queen takes pawn or whatever? Because people aren't starkfish. It's like, why not? The guy made a mistake. The guy made a mistake. Paul Rubin, thank you for the follow. Guys, it's early stream hype. Guys, early stream hype. Early stream hype is good, man. If you guys like what you see, hit the like button, hit the follow button, hit the sub button, all the buttons, guys. Right. Okay, so then... Takes, and I'm only down in exchange. The rook comes, and it's going to come in, so I can't allow it, which it burns like fire. It burns like fire that I have to trade rooks, but guess what? Sometimes you got to trade rooks. I could counterattack and let him in. I could hit the rook. It could come here. I could hit the rook. I'm losing. He should probably just come back. If he comes here, I think I win in exchange. Comes back. Now we want to hit this pawn. Just hit it. But here's the problem. I can win a pawn. He plays rook over. I could do this. This is probably the best move. It's probably the best move, and it burns like fire. I want this so bad. If this pawn... No. There's... See, I'm looking at this. The other rook comes, and bishop. Then it has rook takes. And I gotta play king back. Then he can take a pawn, but see, I'll be threatening to win his queen. So I can just get a pawn with check and let his set rooks on the 7th rank. I think it's not best. We go for this pawn later, guys. We go for the pawn later. Jay, how you doing, dude? Welcome, welcome. Yeah, just work on some puzzles right now, Rocky. Get chess on your brain. True Chiller is dominating all platforms. He is the multi-platform moderator. Takes, yep. Yeah. Rook comes for free. Yeah. Now I might have to do this, or this. This might be better, but right. Okay. Here might be best. Pushing's probably not a bad idea. Okay. My bishop wants to work. This pawn is unprotected. I really shouldn't have pushed it so far. I'm gonna come here. I like this a lot because of this. But the problem is the weakness. I'll probably lose anyway, but I'm going to defend the weakness. I'm in trouble. But my rating puzzle is 1944. I hope that's good. You know what, man? It's what it is. If your rating, if your puzzle rating used to be 1800, then 1900 is good. Yeah, I can resign this, guys. This guy played a perfectly normal game. Perfectly normal game. I'm going to resign him. Because I have nothing, I think. Do I keep playing, guys? The queens are still on. He could play. He should just check and take the other pawn. Now he's starting to trade queens again, but this square is a problem. I'm just gonna resign, guys. Wow, I messed that up. E5 was just losing. E5 was just losing. I didn't realize, man. I didn't. Branson, how you doing, dude? I played E5. I play E5 a lot in these positions. In these positions, it was perfectly equal to here. To right here. Oh. So, how did I blunder? Takes. He can't win the pawn. Oh. This is blocked. I'm looking at tactical themes. Charlie Legend Jackal, I love you, brother. I'm looking at tactical themes that are usually in the position, and I didn't look at the position. Just take the pawn. Black's better here. Bishop g5. Just take the pawn. I thought I was losing the pawn because if this knight's not here, pawn takes, takes, queen takes queen. And this knight is not usually here, or at least I didn't expect it to be there. And that was just a huge mistake. Okay, new game. We're going to play a 10-minute game because I think we still have time. How much time? Oh, we got plenty of time. We actually have time for a 15-minute game. But I could... Nah, a 15-minute game won't go that long, will it? Let's play a 10-minute game, guys. 10 minutes, you got to remember. 10 minutes is literally like 5 minutes. What day do you play with viewers? Thursday, Jackal. Thursday. Plays B4. Okay. Do we stick with our plan or do we take space? I mean, he could play D6. So just develop. Just develop. I can't take that. That would be a structural mistake to take that, guys. There's a square here. Let's look at it. There's a square here too. Okay, we can come here and look at this and the bishop. He'll play bishop f6. His knight kind of wants to go there. Or he could come here and look at the bishop. This is his bad bishop. But this knight is probably the best piece on the board at the time. He'll have to give up his good bishop for it. He can challenge it with his Malarker. See if he saves the bishop. Knight f6 is a good move. Takes, and then I'm probably going to have to... Yeah. Dude, I kind of want to take a bishop, bro. I don't want to play this move because it lets him in. And he gets kind of the same thing I get. Bishop g5 is a blunder. I should have gone to f5. I should have gone to f5, guys. It forced bishop f6. I should have gone to f5. It's okay. How can we improve our position? Queen e2 improves my position. And then the knight's going to go bing, 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 bing. Because the knight's going to defend the pawn. I could probably break too. Oh, I could have broke? No, I couldn't break. Okay, his knight has to go somewhere. Somewhere not really good. Now, do I break? I think I break, guys. Okay. Takes. This could be a move. Could be a move! Okay. Knight takes. Castles. Okay. I'm gonna come here. And I think this is the move, guys. I think he made a mistake. Now, I can hit this, so I can maybe come here, and then queen takes. No, knight takes. Just knight takes knight. Just take a piece. You should have took it back. Right? Now, maybe just this move. Seriously. Seems dumb. Seems dumb. He wants to bring a rook, though. Yep. I'm up a rook. This is such a crappy move to make on somebody. It's like, mess my pawns up. Get like a micro advantage, but trade one of your very important pieces. The pawn is so well protected. This gets me activated and makes threats. So I'm going to do this move. And it defends my pawn. Takes, queen takes. Ooh, love it. Love this. This is probably a winning advantage, even if I wasn't up a full rook. God, feels good. Oh, man, I got to remember the timing, guys. Timing. Okay, just bring. Yep. So I'm pushing. Look, this is the scariest thing you've ever seen in your life. If you've never been horrified, children, cover your eyes. If you've never been horrified, now is the time. I think I push. I think I just push. I have queen check. And back rank mate. This is the puzzle you see all the time, but you never get to play. This is the puzzle you see all the time, but you never get to play. There we go, folks. That's the next 7 seconds short right there. Oh, man. Here's a queen e8 mate in 2. It is Jackal. Did I have it earlier? Did I have it earlier? I did not have it here. Because queen check, queen back. So it's not mate, right? Okay, now wait. Oh, I missed it here. Keyshawn, you're right. Keyshawn, I had checkmate. Yep. 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 I brought the rook instead, which was bad. And he didn't see it. What could he have done to stop checkmate? Maybe queen? He could have stopped it here. Yeah, I had it. I had it. No, no, no. I had it. I had it. I had it. In this position, I brought the rook. I had the checkmate. All right. Let's see what's going on in the tournament. We got Raheem Toxic coming in. Oh, Happy Little Blunder at 1741. And myself, Raheem Toxic, KTG player, and Demon AK-47 at 794. Guys, there are going to be class... I don't want to say prizes because there's no prizes. But there's classes today. And so we're going to name multiple world champions today. Let's write this down, guys. We got to write it. I write it down every week. And I'm going to base it on the people that are here. Because if you're here early, we base it on you. For instance, who was it that Dana White went to one of the UFC fighters and said, what weight class do you want? Where is your perfect place to fight? And the guy's like, 170? He's like, all right, good. I'm going to make a 170 class. He gave the guy his own weight class, man. That's a really crazy advantage because a lot of people, they might fight optimally at 165 or 175 and they have to be in that weight class and they have to gain weight or lose weight to get there, right? Well, the people that are here, I'm going to look at the ratings. We're going to come up with the... Right now I'm looking for a pen. We're going to come up with the classes. Wait, it's right here, guys. Let me see. Found it, guys. I found it. Okay. So, of course, there's going to be an open winner. So, whoever gets the most points in the tournament in the tie breaks, whoever's at the top of the win is the open winner. And that will be the Open World Chess Champion from our Open World Chess Champion tournament we're having today, celebrating 250 freaking tournaments. This guy's waiting for a rematch. Brother, I'm not going to play you again because I'm just not doing it. He's 1664, dude. The guy's a really good chess player. He just blundered. Exactly how I blundered in the first game. Open. And then we have a... Man, see, here's me making weight classes to benefit myself. If I do it under 1700, I'm 1685. And that would give me... Yeah, not doing it. We'll do an under 1600. You 1600. So I have to play in the open. We'll all play together, but whoever gets... Here's how it works. Let's say I'm going to make it under 800 for sure. Well, so under 1600, under 1200, under 800, and under 400. There we go. Those are our classes, guys. Read them. Is there anything bad on here? The keybind template. Oh, yeah. Okay. I mean, when I say bad, I'm talking... Okay, there's our... This is very official, guys. There's an open winner. There's going to be an under 1600 winner, under 1200 winner, under 800 winner, under 400 winner. That means Demon AK-47 is rated 794. He is going to be competing for the under 800 prize, but it actually kind of burns him a little bit because we go with the rating at the end of the tournament because we can't go back and look. It's too much hassle. So here's the point. If you finish the tournament under 800, and you have the most points out of anybody rated under 800, then you win your section. And you become the world under 800 champion. Branson, you playing today, man? Are you playing today? I'm playing today, man. I'm feeling good. I'm on my second cup of coffee. Tournament starts in a half an hour. We could play some Blitz. Probably knock... I don't want to play Blitz, though. Okay, I should have took his rematch then. When's tournament start again? 30 minutes? I'm going to play another 10-minute game, guys. Another 10-minute game. The last one worked out well. You got to move fast. Remember, this is literally like speed chess. Because there's not enough time really to do much in a 10-minute game. I think he's going... He might be pulling up a stream, folks. D4, knight F6. Lorenzo Parr, if you're watching, good luck, my friend. I'm going to shut chat off. No, I'm going to keep chat on because... Well, no, I'm going to shut it off. How can I get better? I'm going to load 300s. Play more chess. Go to chess.com. Go to the first lesson. Do it. If you're like, I'm above it, do it anyway. It takes 2 minutes. That way you can start at the beginning because you're a beginner. You can start at the beginning. Are you a streamer? Yes. Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, Charlie Sardo Gaming. Come say hi. All right, guys, we got a guy. We got a guy. Lorenzo. He said, "Are you a streamer?" Where's he from? Italy. Oh, when he comes, guys. Oh, I can't. Lorenzo, I'm pulling chat up, but I don't cheat. You'll watch. But I'm pulling chat up because if you come in, I want to say hi to you. Because I have a fondness for Italy. I have a fondness and a connection for Italy. So just start doing the lessons on chess.com. Dak. And start doing puzzles. And watch my video on YouTube, Basic Opening Principles Explained. It's on YouTube. It's one of my best-selling videos. It's one of my. I know you do, Lorenzo. Ciao. Come and say hi in one of my chats so I can talk to you, brother. Let me see. I didn't have to do this, but I got it. But it's time to. It was time to. Come on a stream and say hi. I want to talk to you. Okay. I don't want to distract him, guys. I'm a professional. So you got me, Duck Kid? That's what you do if you're 300. If you're rated 300, you are crushing it. You're the luckiest person in the room because we have all learned a bunch of bad habits to try. We try and use our own brain to get better at chess, and we come up with an idea and we use it and it works. But it's a bad idea. It's a bad habit. It will keep you down for the rest of your life until you break the habit. That's more work. It's harder to break a habit than learn a habit. So if you're rated 300, you are crushing it. Start at the beginning lessons on chess.com. Do I take and play F5? It comes free, or I could take and play knight, and that comes free. Or do I just play E5? E5 looks okay. I don't know what the best move was. Taking an F5 was probably better. Kind of weakened my king, though, and I really am... Lorenzo, did he come in chat yet? Did he come in? Now, he's taking a second to move, guys. I don't want to burn your time, Lorenzo. I'm not trying... I do this all the time. I am a professional yapper while I play chess. I'm used to distractions. I make coffee in the middle of chess games. It's crazy. Takes. I take with a knight. I might be making this harder than it is, guys. Am I going to lose like I lost last time, but with doing all this stupid stuff? You're right, I'm creating my own habits. Sometimes it works, then I'm back to the 2000s. Dakid, it's exactly golf is the same way. If you take golf clubs and you go try and start learning, you're going to twist your arm, you're going to lift your head up higher, and you're going to get better at golf. You're going to get better at golf. And that's the worst thing that can happen to you. That's the worst thing that can happen to you. Because you're going to develop bad habits that will hold you down later. And none of us that are rated 1600, 1800, 1200, even 800, they can't go back and unlearn their bad habits either. So do the lessons on... Now this attacks, but... just dumb? I don't know if it's dumb, guys. I know that F5 is dumb because this weakens this. I want to find a place for my queen. A happy place, guys. Is Lorenzo in chat yet? Lorenzo! Say hi, brother. We have a new friend. He's from Italy. I'm Italian-American. I've been to Sicily, well, Italy and Sicily twice. Oh, wow. That's probably a good move, attacking my stuff. We're going to do this. And not allow. Guys, never allow the brown cow. Never allow the brown cow. I've been in Italy for a total of... I think it's a couple of months. Just improve. I don't know what else to do, so I'm going to improve the queen. Yeah, I've spent just barely under 2 months in... I spent all my time in Sicily. I have cousins there. Welcome, Charlie. Iris, welcome to you. How you doing, man? That key, that it. Oh no, Lorenzo is listening to the stream. Lorenzo, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Lorenzo. I'm a professional. I'm a professional distracted chess player. It's unfair. I made a threat. Yeah, it was. And I'm over here. I hope you're not listening. If you listen to the stream, I will confuse you because I'm like, I don't know what else to do. I'm just going to develop my queen. And I was setting up this trap. And if you were listening to that, you're like, oh, okay, he just developed his queen. It could throw you off. You know what I'm saying? Some people stream snipe as cheating, and Lorenzo would never do that. He's my fellow Italian. He's probably a real Italian. I mean, I'm really Italian. Kind of. Now he's playing for the draw. He's down a pawn. I am up. And we have opposite color bishops. The problem is he can't have everything. Yeah. He wanted to play the bishop and the queen and checkmate me here. But if he moves the bishop, I take his queen. If he moves the queen, I take his rook. So there was just nothing there. Yeah. I'm not winning, guys. I'm not winning. I am up a pawnster, right? I think I can defend here. I can't. So he's getting his pawn back. He's getting his pawn back! I see an idea. It doesn't work, I don't think. It might work. Keyshawn, how you doing, man? Welcome to the stream. All levels, welcome. Guys, get a tournament! Type exclamation point tournament to figure out how to get in the tournament. See, I'm attacking his rook, guys. You like that move? It's a maneuver. Now I defend it, and we're fine. We're absolutely fino. You watched the game Italy versus Venezuela? I did not. Is that soccer? He just won't let me. He won't let me survive, guys. He's getting his pawn back, and my rook is kind of weird. It doesn't have a real nice beard. All I did was win a pawn, guys. No! What was that noise? Oh, stream. Guys, I have to update my stream deck. That has the same. Yeah. It's like every time I win a pawn, he wins a pawn back. But guess what I have? I am the attacker. You know what that means, guys? When you're the attacker? It's a little bit crazy, guys, being the attacker. He wants my pawn. I'm going to come here for a reason. There's a reason behind this move. You guys don't believe it. This is the reason. Now he can't get in front of the pawn. I'm going to make a queen, guys. I'm going to make a queen! Dude, I think I was better. Maybe not. Dude, maybe winning the pawn was dumb. Lorenzo, I'm not sure. Chess Facts here at Sir Sardo Gaming. Dude, we're gonna have a great tournament today. I'm having fun playing chess. Happy Wednesday, everyone. Kyle, how you doing, brother? And Branson's back from Texas. Branson, where were you, brother? Were you close by? See, he could have played bishop. That's what he should have done rather than take the pawn. Bishop. And then bishop. And then bishop. Now, I might be able to move the bishop and bring the rook, but it's like, it stops me because the minute I saw this, I control the queening square. I saw I have a pass pawn, and I control the queening square. And very often, that's a huge, huge benefit. He comes, okay, he's coming this way. And I told him how to do it. Look at this move. Look at this move. It doesn't work, though, because he has a rook check. So he's coming, and I can't really stop him from coming. But, like I said, I have some ideas. I could play bishop. If he plays, I play check. He comes here. I take. I think we still go here. Man, that's a really good move, Lorenzo, if you're watching. If you're watching, Lorenzo. Very, very, very good move. I don't have a way to stop it, do I? He came up with a way to stop it. I could play rook. Bishop, rook. Takes, takes, rook over, push. Push, push. You know what I'm saying? It might, guys, it's so crazy, it just might work. Plus, okay, rook over, rook back, bishop. Because I'm threatening to get behind it too. Rook back, bishop. Rook blocks, takes, takes, rook over, push. I think he might get some pawns, but this might be the idea. I might actually be able to make it happen. Start the tourney already. I can't control it, BC. BC, this is how it works every week for 250 tournaments. For the last 5 years, every week, we set the tournament up so people can join. And then for 1 hour, people join, and then the tournament starts. It's just how it works. Ooh, okay. He has a check. I think we come forward. He's, ooh. There's a lot of checks, but it doesn't do anything. It does one thing, though. So maybe I was supposed to come... He gets behind it, right? I'm going to push now. Now you can't. I think we get behind it. Get behind it. Takes, takes. Because this, he can't stop. And if he pushes... here, if he pushes, I take his rook. He could check first and then push. Then I push, but I'm behind it. I think we just go, because now his rook is kind of stuck there. Then I make the threat. And if he pushes, I think we do this. I think we do this. Wow. Yeah, this just loses, man. I think you should have checked and maybe pawn checked, bishop checked. You know what I'm saying? Right? Oh, it doesn't lose. It doesn't lose. For some reason, I thought I could queen. Okay, so is this going to be a draw? A boring draw? This might be a draw, guys. No, it's a draw. Very good. I thought you were losing. I wonder if I have a better move. Had a better move. Here first, I guess? Where do we come in? Because this is one pawn holds two. Going. I blew it, guys. I'm up. Okay. I wanted to do that. I think I made a draw, guys. Oh, I had a move, though. I did have a move. It might still be there. I had a move, but I don't even know if it's a good move. I check his king. Kind of want this pawn. He can save his pawn. I don't know if that was good. Because my queen covers his square too. I think I'm winning now. Wow. Wow. Can he draw? This is a cool move too. If takes, I push and win. And now he can't do some stuff. Well, he can do some stuff, but that's a good move. There's no increment, guys, so I have to move fast. Here's a draw. Maybe not. Oh my God, it's not a draw. I blundered. Now I'm losing. I resign. I think I resign, guys. I think I resign here. There's nothing to do. There's nothing to do. Because my bishop has to cover. Oh, I lost that. Dude, you played great. You played great. Fun game. Dude, I can't believe I lost that game, bro. I didn't let the timeout. I was typing to him. Hi, what time control is Tourney? Derpy, it's 10 minutes with a 5-second increment. Dude, I was winning the endgame. I was winning. I guarantee there was plenty, but I played a bad endgame, and he played better. I think winning that pawn might not have been the move. I set up a shot. To... Wow. Yeah, it was pretty level the whole game until I blundered at the end. I was not winning the ending. I was clearly better. Let me show you the... Guys, the squiggler cam tells all. Let me get Clifford the big red arrow here. Okay, I was slightly better out of the opening. He got it back. Had a couple spots I was better. He got it back. He got his first advantage since the opening, and then bang. I had a move right here. We're going to look at it. We're pretty flat, and then this is where I was better in the end game, and bing, bing, bing. I make bad moves, bad moves, bad moves, until at the end, I completely lost it. Wow. Good game, Lorenzo. He played better than me, guys. He played 89.5% accuracy. I played 86. I had no brilliance, neither did he. He had 3 great moves. I had 1. Let's look at the mistakes. He played like a 2250. I played like a 2200. That's a good game, Lorenzo. Good game, dude. We both played the opening. No, I played the opening better than him. He got a check mark. I got a star. We both played the middle game great. And we both got a check. He got a thumbs up on the end game. I got a check mark. Get in the tournament, guys. Join the tournament. Do I have it here? If you are already a chess chiller on chess.com, there's your link to the tournament, guys. All right? If you're not, go to chess.com, go to social, go to clubs or community, go to clubs, search for chess chillers, 2 words, you'll find it. Or you can type !tournament that will walk you through those steps. The girl's going to talk. I just want to hear their voices, guys. I just want to hear
the dropping that piece, but hey, we all have those days.
I dropped a piece?
Whoa, D4, huh? That's like classic chess move number 2, right? Exciting.
Wow. Okay. I can only take so much of that, guys. It's like I want it, but I don't want it. I don't know what's going on with me, guys. Explore chess.com. Explore chess.com. Refresh chess.com. There we go. Okay. Opening book. D5 is the number 1 move here. C5. D6 is... Well, oh, this is Stockfish, though. Yeah, Castles is number 1. D6 is number 2. I like Castles better, and I should have played Castles. I was a little bit upset when I played D6 because I'm probably going to play it anyway, but I know I'm going to Castle. And I don't have to play D6 because he doesn't have E4. He's not threatening E5. Just Castles here, guys. Oh, I did Castle. Hey! Oh, okay, now I played D6, and it is the most commonly played move, although Stockfish likes D5. Okay, but I'm human. Yeah, cool. Derpy, get in, man. Get in. Derpy, you know there are class prizes today. Not class prizes, class winners. There's going to be an open winner. There's going to be under 1,600. That means if you're under 1,600 and above 1,200, which is the next class, whoever gets the most points between 1,200 and 600 or 1,600 wins the under 1,600 prize. There's an under 1,200 prize. Not prize. The prize is the title. There's a under 800 title and an under 400 title. So if you're like, I'm only rated 200, I just learned. It's okay, play the tournament. You might win the under 400 Chillers World Championship. And you can tell your friends. Hey, Derpy with the follow. Derpy, thank you, brother. Welcome to the stream. Vetrivel with the follow. Thank you. Jay Williams, thank you for the like. Samantha Kumar, thank you for the like. Koken Ali for the like. Mark Gerhard for the like. A lot of likes, guys. You can... Facebook, give me early stream hype. Thank you guys for the early stream hype. It really helps the stream. I don't know how the early stream hype works on YouTube and Twitch, but hey, if you guys like it, we see the like button, follow button, subscribe button. We do this 4 times a week, Monday through Thursday, as well as I stream gaming at night. Bishop D3, number 1 move in this position is by far is my move, Knight BD7. Castles. Number 1 move in this position is E5. I played the 3rd best move. Or the 3rd most played move, C5 or E5. Guys, I do this because it plays for the trap. It plays for the fork. And when this bishop is on this square and I shove, a lot of times I'm winning a piece. I might set it up and then you push here, takes, pawn takes, bishop has to move, I come and fork. And it's developing a piece. But in this position, E5 is the grandmaster move. Okay, now here's where I got confused. Knight E4 is best. E5 is second best. Now it's starting to like E5. It's kind of torn between the two. Takes. Now Knight E4, which is what I played. Right? How come it's not telling me my, it's not giving me my star? I want my star. Okay. That was best, but it's not giving me my star. I want my star. I feel bad. Don't make me feel bad, chess.com. Bishop E4. Dude. A5 or Queen E7. Oh, this is pinned. He can't take. So A5, I get A5 now. He can't take the pawn because the bishop's hanging. I took. It's excellent. Black is still better. Rook E5 was best. When you play Rook E5, this rook is kind of what you call like he's misplaced, man. For instance, like the bishop could attack it, right? The rook kind of wants to be back here at this point. But he has to save his bishop. That's true. By the same token, my bishop is misplaced here because my bishop wants to be back here because it's blocking the rook. And if his bishop can never get in here, his bishop just has to come back. So they're both kind of weird. Now, I set this up. 3 minutes, guys. Tournament starts in 3 minutes. I set up this trap. That's a miss. Oh, I had bishop h2. Oh, I had... This is this better? King takes. Rook takes. Queen takes. Takes. And I'm not losing a pawn. Wow. But he can still get on the pawn. Queen f4 attacking it. No, but when the rook comes, I'll be able to shove. Just take. There was a rook. No, it wasn't a rook. It was still a pawn. It was still a pawn. But it's plus... and white is actually better in this line. Yeah, I wanted bishop h2 check here. I play this first. Queen e7's a miss. I had bishop h2. Oh, that's where it wanted it. Now, is that best? It's best. Takes. Queen takes, takes, takes. Now, this rook check was dumb, and my rook could have got trapped. It was really dumb. I was trying to do a weird thing where bring this with tempo and then save my pawn, which I kind of did, but I lost the pawn anyway. That was good. Yeah, just bishop f5. Setting up the threat. Oh, and then I could save the pawn, maybe. Maybe. This is bad. Okay. And now I'm still better with my dumb rook. Bishop f5 is good. Wow. Oh, yeah. Rook, you could have taken a pawn. And I saw this too. I didn't say anything. Because when I take, you take here. And you still get the pawn. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. And your rooks are looking good. Is that the best move? H5? D5 or H5? Thing about H5 is it sets up this. H5 takes. I had bishop check first. King E2. Rook D6. It's a transposition. And H4. H4 because he can't defend the pawn. Stockfish is so evil, guys. He can't. How does he defend the pawn? If he pushes, we already talked about this. Can he do this? Yeah, he can, but then I can come here. Bishop gets away. Wow. H4 before you take the pawn. Crazy. If I play H4 in this position, it's only... I'm up like half a pawn, basically. And I take a pawn, and now it's like equal. It's crazy. Is F6 the best move here? It's the fourth best move. It wants H4. But I was trying to get stop the bishop. And H4, yeah, okay. Let's see if bishop A3 is the best move. It is. And let's see if my idea works. It doesn't work, guys. Rook A5. So how is it so bad? Takes, takes. See, takes, takes. F4. F4. Wow. Now the bishop can't stop it at all. King F5 or bishop E4 is what I'd rather play. It's all... Oh, no, this says draw. This says draw. This says draw. This is all zeros, zeros, zeros. I'm going to see where I went wrong. Black's better here. H4 check. I had H4 check and I didn't play it. I said I had a better move. AB4 is fine too, though. It wants F5. This is all zeros. King D3. All zeros. Black is slightly better. All zeros again. This might be better. No, King C2's a move. Okay, well, there we go. All zeros. I gotta stop the pawn. I dropped my pawn, guys. All zeros with F5. I made a queen. Still all zeros after takes. Now it's all zeros. Yeah, I needed to bring the king. And I pushed the pawn. That was dumb. It helped his king get around the horn. His king can't come. This is the blunder. It's not even on the list. Wait. No, it's still zeros. King G5, King D2. Oh, okay. He comes here. And that's the only way to lose. Just King D3. You don't let him do anything. Just move my king. And actually come down and win this pawn and win the game. How am I not winning the game? Oh, because he's going to push bishop takes, king takes. Okay, great. Guys, do I have time? Play. I have to hit that. There's no way! Alec Posno. I was learning. It's okay. I can watch you guys play. Look at the crew. Oh my God. 18 players. Guys, I got a first round loss by. I don't understand. I feel like there was somebody that I banned from the tournament and they're still here. Maplewood Strat. I love it. We're going to look at his game. All right, guys. Good day, man. Okay, now I can watch you guys play. Check out some of your games. I'm hitting the real quick, and I'll be right back. I just saw an idea, guys. In the game I just played that I didn't consider and I should have looked at. It's at the very end position. Right here. What if I'll show you the end position. It doesn't work here, I don't think. Because his king is here. I think it's too slow. It's mate in 13. But here's my idea I just had while I was away from the board. Run this way with the king and try and get this pawn. Then the bishop could sack for this pawn. If my king was like maybe right here and his pawn was right here, probably still wouldn't work. And it was a dark squared bishop. Yeah, okay. Forget that. I was like, wait, did I miss a draw? I didn't miss a draw. I got a 0 point buy. I was detected offline. I was not offline, chess.com. I was using your engine. I was analyzing a position. It's all right. Okay, so we got Maplewood Strat at 257 chess.com rating points versus Demon Cat 354. Dude, what is going on here? He attacks the queen, but drops a pawn. Wins a pawn in El Centro, blocking El Bishop O. Maplewood Strat is doing great. Am I in the wrong tournament? What is your name? Oh, Black won because he lost on time. Yeah, Kyle, I'm sorry, brother. It happens. Dude, you played a good game. You played a good game. What are the pawns? Pawns are even. His pawns are better and he has the bishop. But you're playing chess. You're still playing chess here, man. You could attack stuff. Protected. You know what I'm saying? You can tuck your king. Good game, dude. Good game. And good game by your opponent who won, by the way. Demon AK-47, good job. Let us check out the highest rated player in the tournament. Happy Little Blunder is playing KTG player, rated 1,099. You guys had like almost the same rating, yet these guys are very different apart. Polog. What's your rating, Polog? No, you're in. You're in, but it's what happened to me. You have 0 because maybe you got in late, or if you were here before it started, maybe you went out of the app for a second to watch the stream and chess.com was like, hey, he's not active. Or you joined the tournament, put your phone down and waited till it started, and chess.com said, hey, this guy hasn't moved, he hasn't done anything for a minute, knock him offline because we have too many people in our servers. That happens too. So not only do you have to join the tournament, but before the tournament starts, you got to be sure you're active in your chess.com browser or on your app. For instance, in the tournament right here, let me see if I can come to one of these screens. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Up here, like I'm on a computer, right? There's a window that says chat, and there's a little chat. Happy Little Plunder put a happy face, and Ratul put a clock. I think he was telling me, get your butt over to the game, Charlie. You're gonna miss your first round game. So you guys can't see the chat, but it's there. It's just right down there, right down here. It's just some. It's a chat. So if you want to refresh your chess.com and be sure you don't get left out of your game, you just type a little something like "Good luck, everybody." A minute before the tournament starts. You know what I'm saying? You feel? Then you're rocking and rolling. All right. Yeah. And I'm not saying I know for a fact that's what happened to you, but I'm saying that those are the most common things. People are on their phone, they're watching the stream on one thing, they go to the back and forth to chess.com, and chess.com says you're not playing chess, man. So we're gonna mark you offline until you come back online. You might have to refresh your browser. It happens to me all the time. Dude, this tournament is stacked, brother. I love it. Okay. Ooh, Aman Gutpa is in, and he lost, and he's rated 2,000. So I'm guessing he got a, what do you call it? A 0-point buy. You're in the tournament. You're playing the whole time. Well, if you're playing a game, then it says you're busy and it gives you a buy. You're still in the tournament. If you say you were playing games the whole time, yeah, it does. Because if you're playing a rated game and the tournament starts, what do you want them to do? Shut your rated game off? Do you win it? Do you lose it? Is it a draw? How does that happen? You can't play 2 games at once. You know what I'm saying? So you weren't offline. You were playing a game during the tournament. Every time I go to play a game during, I enter the tournament, but it hasn't started yet, and I go to play a game because I'm like, I have enough time. It says entering the tournament, playing games during the tournament could cause you to miss a round, or it says something like that. And you missed the first round because you were not ready. You were playing another game. That's what happened to you. It's not hard. You will learn it. You will learn it, my friend. Yeah. You can't lose the game before the tournament started. You could have lost the game right when the tournament started, because if you were playing another game, the tournament started and said, oh, Polog loses his first round game because he's not here. Ask ChatGPT to explain it better than me. Say, I joined a tournament on chess.com and the tournament started and I immediately lost my first round. How could this have happened? And it will explain it better than me. But I'm telling you, that's what happened. It's one of those things. Been doing this for 5 years. I just did it myself. I lost my first round game too. I was just analyzing another game. It happens. You got to be sitting there waiting in the tournament window, which I have like, wherever it is, you got to be sitting there waiting. Mine looks like this. That's the tournament. I got to be sitting there waiting, and my chat has to be, my browser has to be active. I don't know if it's a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, but if I'm just sitting here waiting and I open up a YouTube video on the other screen and I'm waiting for the tournament, I will lose my first round game. 0 point. Because it marked me as offline. You have to be online. That's why I was mentioning go in chat and talk in chat or something. Update it, refresh it, that kind of thing. Hope that explains it, brother. It's one game. You're going to be fine. Same thing happened to me. So you and me are going into the tournament down a game. We're going to get easier pairings. We're going to get easier pairings, folks. Bulleteer. Do I know this name? Bulleteer 1889. Bulleteer, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the tournament. And Derby Moose is new too, man. This is freaking awesome. The community is growing like wildfire, folks. Somebody get a freaking hose, a fire hose. And another great thing about it too, it's great, but it's not great. I'm Schlenningsberger. There's nothing you or I can do about it because I don't control the tournament. I don't moderate the tournament. I say 10-5 for the time control, how many rounds, put the date, put the time, put the title, hit start. I have no control over the tournament after that. And once that happens, a tournament, chess.com has a way they run the tournament, and that's it. And if you're shown offline or you're shown playing another game when the tournament starts, you get a 0 point buy. Now look, right now I'm looking at the tournament. There are 3 people in the tournament that are playing games. Look at this. Look at this. 1, 2. Pranab, Ratul are probably playing each other. And then this guy down here, well, let's look at the game and see. Ratul and Pranab. So this guy down here, Tijahe, he's playing another game off tournament. And if the next round starts while he's still playing that game, he's going to get a 0 point buy. That's how it works. Oh, man. Pranab gets Ratul in the checkmate scenario. It's checkmate, right? Wow, Prana plays good, bro. 1879. Okay, see, now the round's going to start. Get to your boards. And that guy who was playing a game off tournament. Hey, Rakeem, I got you, brother. He got a 0 point buy just like we did. Yeah, it burns like fire, but it's just a game. You're a new... Yeah, welcome, man. Welcome. I'll tell you this. Like, there was a girl that had a really hard time challenging me. She just couldn't figure it out. And she was a great part of the community. And she was here all the time. She was a moderator. And she couldn't figure out how to challenge me. That it just wasn't clicking in her head. She was having a brain fart for, like, challenging me or whatever. I want to do this so bad and keep my thing, but I think this is the better move. I'm going to do this. And once she figured it out, if she came in right now, her name's Jessica. If she came in and say, challenge me, she'd be, boom, challenge me. She learned, she figured out how to do it. Now she can do it as good or faster than anybody. She just wasn't getting it. And And so this is our 250th weekly tournament. You'll figure out how not to have that happen. I figured it out. It happens to me once every probably 6 months or a year, but it happens. And I did it to myself today. Mini memes. Hi, Charlie. Hopefully you're having a nice day. Love to see your commentary. Community growing. Yeah, Mini Me, thank you, man. Thanks for being part of it. Century says, yeah, that sucks. I tried to play a few tournaments and had this problem. It's why I host my own tourneys. 30-second hyperbullet open Swiss in about 2 hours. I have to make dinner first. That looks like self-promotion, kind of, but a lot of details. Your face is covering the board. Oh, man. Gons. Sorry, I wanted you to see his stats. I was busy talking. So, Chess Watcher, you might still be able to get in. Want to play a game after that. Chess Watcher, I play viewers on Thursday. Tomorrow, did he move? I'm burning all my time? Yeah, I'm burning a lot of it. Just castles. So tomorrow I will be reviewing my games from the tournament today, because that's what we do as good chess players to get better at chess. We don't just go, next game, I want to get better, You got to learn from your mistakes. And then I play viewers tomorrow. And a great way to play me too, though, Chess Watcher, if you got here too late, is just be here on time next week. Stream starts at 3, tournament starts at 4. And I feel like this is the best move. And I really don't need this, but I think I want my queen to come out this way. Somewhere. Yeah. Is the tournament open to all? Can I join? Try and join. Sangara. What, but you have to follow the, this will tell you how to join the tournament. You have to go to like social or clubs, community, and you want to find clubs. And then you go to clubs and you search for Chess Chillers, 2 words. You have to join the club first. Once you join the club, then you'll see a big button that says join. This is the second round, but with this many people, it might still let you in. We've had late joins before. Dave Joyce, thank you for the 100 stars, man. Hey, Charlie. Hey, Chillers. Good luck to everyone playing in today's tournament. If there's anything like a tournament director here, it would be Dave Joyce. He is the overseer, and he's always here to help explain things and do stuff. Okay, but he still can't make changes. If you miss your first round, we can't control what happens. It's autopilotchess.com. Love the energy. Have a great day. Accentria, come back, man. Come back and play us, brother. We got a great community, man. We work really hard to keep it nice and happy and clean. Rakim is 1396, guys. He's no freaking joke. This guy's a real chess player. Look at his position. Look at it. Did he move? No. The night comes. How do we defend the pawn? Do we not defend it? Well, I can't really come here now, though, because... Well, I'm on the bishop, though. I think I can come here. Does he get away? Yeah, he's got squares. An idea to defend the pawn. Come here. But I haven't moved this bishop yet. Knight takes, rook takes. Oh, he could pin, so I kind of have to defend the pawn. I don't know if it's good, guys. Probably not. I mean, come on. How often is it good? Hey, thank you for the 250 jewels. Accentria. Why are you covering the board? Oh, yeah, that was from before. Yeah. Yeah, that was a mistake. Got you, brother. That was old. You said that back when I was covering the board. I appreciate you telling me that, too. Amaka, evening. Tanked about 80-ish ELO in the last couple days after reaching a peak, so gonna lurk and learn. Very cool, Amaka. What's your rating, man? What's your rating? Because if you focus on just making your rating better, you'll incrementally make your rating better if you're lucky. If you just try and get better at chess, then your rating just goes up. It's really... Whoa, didn't see this move? Probably a good move. Okay. It's a good move. So annoying. Wow, Rakim, that's a really good move, dude. That move is good because it burns like fire. Was down to 1,000 again, but you were 1,080. Wow, was that a good move? This is an insane move. If what's going to happen is going to happen, that's an insane move. Rakim, this is very deep and insane. I think you... Yeah? This is deep and insane, guys. He's trapping my queen. It's deep and insane. I can attack the bishop, though. And I might be able to get 2 pieces for what the horrible thing in this insanely deep tactic is going to happen. Queen C2, Bishop D1, and my queen is trapped. Mike Real. Queen C1, Queen C2, Bishop D1. Where does my queen go? It's trapped. Right? Yeah. Yeah. So I counterattack. Wow, okay, that's good. This is, oh my god. So he really did blunder. I was like, I'm losing horribly here. Because I thought he was going to play a rook down. You know what I'm saying? This is the saving maneuver. Oh my god. And most of it should be relatively okay. I think it still loses, though. I'm down at exchange? Oh, no, I'm down at exchange. Cover the square is good. Queen takes. There's no other threats. Well, I mean, he could be threatening maybe one idea. Yeah. Now. I think he's still crushing me, guys. I think he's still crushing me. My rook has 1 square to go to. My rook has 1 square to go to. No, I have 2 squares. I could come here. And it's better than coming F1. So I guess I have to come Yeah, I'm being completely, utterly destroyed, guys. Rook E1 only. These tactics are insane, Rakim. Rakim, you're a beast. You're a beast master. What the heck is going on with your position? I don't understand. Those tactics were insane. They're still insane. I think I'm still lost. You ever get that feeling that you're just being crushed? That might not have been a blunder, guys. And we're going to look at this game tomorrow. Yeah, see, no matter what I do, knight back doesn't work. This doesn't even work. Could be a draw here. Oh, wait. This could be a really good move. He just plays bishop e6, though. He just comes back. This knight is covering this, but so is this, but then that can come, but then... I still feel like I need to take this for some reason. Takes, knight takes... Oh my God, where is it? Where is it? That doesn't do anything. This brings the knight in. This brings the knight in. And then it's either h3, because he's threatening he's threatening this. Oh, this I brought the knight to the square is the problem, but he's already winning that square. He's already winning that square. But I need to make the knight go away and take it off of my shoulder. Then he's just going to come, and then I'm just losing. He's just winning, guys. He's just winning. You just hang the knight. You just hang the knight. Hang the knight. I don't know what that means. Sacrifice the queen. You guys got all the opinions. I'm going to shut the chat off for 2 reasons. Not because I'm going to get moves from you guys, but it's important that we don't do that. But the most important thing is to, so I can not be, what's the word? Distracted. He's winning in every way, guys. I'm completely crushed here. Mm-hmm. So I am up a piece? I thought it was down a piece, guys. I can't count. I can't count. Knight. Where's the knight going? Move the knight. He's on the pawn, but it's okay. I could come here. And then maybe up here or something. Here. Knight comes back to a good square and hits the rook. That's what I'm doing. Took me forever to find it. Guys, I thought it was down a piece. I'm being crushed. I thought it was down a piece. That's how bad at I am. You're like, you're 1685 and you didn't know? I lose the pawn. Hey, if you're watching on Twitch, I love you guys, man. Hit the follow button. Yeah. Where do you go? Where do you bring it? You don't want to lose on time. These could be problems. I guess just come back? I dropped it. I dropped it. I dropped it, guys. I dropped the full knight. I dropped the full knight. I was up a piece. Wow. Because of the pawns, but are they enough? It's an idea. I dropped the bishop again, guys. I dropped the bishop again. What is wrong with me? What is wrong with me, guys? The bishop's like a problem. Do you see the problem with the bishop? There's a problem with the bishop. The bishop is a problem. We're both blundering so bad. I thought I was completely losing. Dude, this game is the craziest game I've ever played in my life. This is the craziest game I've ever played in my life. One of the craziest games I've ever played in my life. It's just insane. I have no idea what's happening here. Like, it was so weird. I thought it was down a piece. I thought it was down a pawn. And in a worse position, I had an extra piece. Right? Takes. Right? Unpinning this way? Unpin this way, I think. I ever takes pawn, and if pawn takes, I can take the rook. I don't really, though. This is the weirdest game I've ever played in my life. I'm telling you right now. That's such a good move. It's such a good move. I can't take. He's going to take with check. There's nothing I can do. I'm completely crushed. I'm telling you, this game has been the weirdest game I've ever played in my life. It's all like I can I say it again? Weirdest game I've ever played in my life. It's just so weird. Rakim playing like a grandmaster sometimes. Is just amazing. Defends. Okay. I can do... I'm going to resign. Because I don't know what to do. I'm so out of sorts that since that game started, my mind has been completely blown. Okay. Good game, Rakim. Absolutely crazy game. I think you were winning, then you were losing, then you were winning, then you were losing. But I'm going to look at it tomorrow. We're going to look at it and learn. Okay. Ooh, the GOAT Doc, guys. He's one of us. Let's see what he's got going here. I was losing that, guys. I was losing that game. I was losing that game. You say like you were up a piece. No, I wasn't. I was losing that game. 1000%. 1 second. I know I could have should have hung on with that, guys. I'm thinking about it. I probably should have hung on with that and try to make a draw, but I'm losing. I'm losing that game. Up a piece and losing, guaranteed. Yeah, exactly. That was a crazy game. It was a good game. Yeah, I was winning at one point. Yeah. Yeah, Rakim, that's a good explanation. Derpy moves, gets to play me. It's his first time playing me, right, Derpy? Play well, Derpy. Play well. Nice game. Tilted for sure, Milton. That was 1,000,000%. To a nice game. Yeah, yes, be nice. E4, I'm gonna play C5. Yeah, I was so out of sorts that game. I couldn't understand what was happening. Remember the trap yesterday, guys? They just play. Oh no, he pushes. Okay, I come here. right? Takes, and d6. And this is how you play this line, right? Now I think I take. I mean, I develop, definitely develop, always develop. Wait, do I take first and then? No, I think I come here. Yeah. That game was the craziest game I think I've ever played in my life. I'm telling you, it was just insane. He's on my knight, so I'm going to go take. He'll be on my knight again and play d6 or something. That's probably it. I do have queen check at bishop take, so I can develop. I think I can develop. I am Slenberger. Have you ever played a tournament on chess.com before? You resign at equal position. I just checked. Equal. Yeah, equal. I don't believe it was equal. I was being crushed. I was being destroyed. If I go, he has bishop takes. That's not good. I'm going to take here. Defending. I had no chance in that game. My mind was completely not understanding what was happening. I was lost. I got lost. It was weird. I played 2 games earlier. I didn't feel that way. I wasn't lost. And then right here, I feel like I'm playing a chess game. There was like, it just, the position that came up and the way I was up a piece. But my position was so bad, I felt like I was down a piece. Yeah. I'm a Slingberger. Maybe my tournaments just aren't going to work for you then. All right, but I can't talk about it in chat all day. Try again or don't. But it's what it is. Now, I could take a pawn, but it doesn't do anything. I think I'm okay to come back. Yeah. I gave you all the support I can, brother. If you look back at the stream and see the customer support that was just given, it's pretty huge. I don't know what to tell you. So do the best you can. Maybe next week. Like I said, this is number 250. Every once in a while, someone has a problem. You just are seeming to have a problem. Can't help you, brother. Okay. Queen comes. I can't do this. I can take a pawn. I lose a piece. I could play d6 developing. Feels good. This is rough. I can't come back. Oh, I can come back. I think I'm supposed to come back. Come back. E5 takes. Takes check. And then... yeah, that might work. So what did I say here? Oh, that's one I don't like. Yeah, come back. That was the idea. We'll see if this saves me, man. Did you see my question about white openings? No, there was a lot of stuff going on. Let me see if I can help you, brother. How far ago was it, Justin? My screen was off for a minute too. Why did you resign? Because I was going to lose that game no matter what I did. That's just what I believe. I just believe I was losing that game no matter what happened. I'm going to lose that game. That's just how I feel. Take the pawn. He's on the square. I gotta stop it. I was gonna lose that game. The white opening's just getting started. Dude, could you post it again? The Italian for white. If you're a new player, put a pawn in the... Oh, Dave Joyce is giving you... he's answering it, which is awesome. He's on my queen. I could take, and if he takes, I could take on a rook. I could take, he could save the queen. Then I could in it. The tactics are insane here, but what if I take? Oh, that which I fear has come upon me. There was the thing. Takes queen check. No, it's not queen check though. But he saves the queen and threatens. Then if I take, queen takes check, and I have to do this, and then he gets my rook. That I see. Takes queen here, I can come here. It develops his bishop, but it saves my knight. I don't know if I'm okay here or not, guys. This is pretty scary. So, yeah. Just getting started. Could you type it again? Because I already scrolled up to look for it. Or just go scroll up, copy and paste it one more time. I bet Dave Joyce, he's much higher rated than me, and he's a better teacher than me. He describes things better than me. He said the Italian for white, if you're a new player, put a pawn in the center, knight f3, bishop c4, then castle. If you're a newer, lower rated player, it is simple opening plan, and your king will be safe. Oh, yeah. Oh, you were asking a recommendation for a lower rated player? I'm looking up trying to find it, brother. I do it once. Charlie, what is the best opening for white that you usually use? I'm struggling to find decent play when playing white. I'll tell you this. What's your rating? What's your rating? Because it probably has nothing to do with the opening. That's my question to you just getting started. What is your rating? Bill Stevens says it was beautiful. I was outside, beautiful weather, throwing the baseball with my friend who is on my team, an amazing bassoonist. But I'm here now. Ha! The amazing bassoonist. I love that about your friend, the amazing bassoonist. Plays bishop takes. Final answer. Did I get a piece, guys? I did. And then. That was a little bit hairy, but that was just weird tactics. The other position, the stuff that was going on was insane. He moves the same piece twice. Derpy, you know better than this. I want to bring the rook. But more importantly, I want to put the bind. I want to put the bind, and I want to get castled, guys. Castled. Right. Now, where does this go? It comes right here. This could be a move. It's probably not. This bishop's going to be a little out of play. He's going to have some effect. But the fact that I'm up a piece, I feel like I should... This is probably a good move. No, but let's just queen in. We'll play that in a minute. This could be the better move. It is. It's safe here. It's safe there, and more importantly, mucho más importante, it controls more squares. Better squares. Hey, Lois, how you doing? So did you get it? Oh, yeah. What do you say? You're about 1,300. I'll tell you, man, it probably has nothing to do with your opening. It probably has nothing to do with the opening, with your openings. Like, what opening are you playing right now and why? Because I would say learn the opening that you already have time invested in. Learn it better. Just learn it better. Why do you want... Because if you start a new opening, you start from the beginning. Right? Right. You know what I'm saying? Rainswork, he's going for my pawn, guys. He wants it bad. Out the castle. But you know what's going to cost him? Trades. It's going to cost him trades, folks. You played Tennyson Gambit. I don't know what that is. I wish I had an answer for you on that one. Now I almost feel like I come here. This doesn't work. My queen would be hanging. Can I bring in a rook? The pawn's gone. It's going to cost him a trade. At least one. Possibly two. And I see something that needs to happen really soon. Listen to Dave Joyce. The 1300 Italian is really easy to play and you get fairly symmetrical positions from the opening, but you probably are making a mistake in the game rather than the opening being the problem. That's true. That's the key point Dave Joyce has made. You probably are simply making mistakes, but you could be making basic opening principle mistakes. If you have an opening that you're playing, that you feel like you're not doing well with, I would say study it more. But here's the thing: is the opening, as long as you play any reasonable opening, you could play an opening that's not even an opening. If you just move a pawn or two in the middle, bring your knights out, bring a bishop out and castle, it's going to fall under some name. It's going to have a name, but it's just developing your pieces and castling. And if you do that, I don't know if this is best. I'm playing it quick. And if you do that, you should be getting into a game without losing. And then if you're losing from there, it's because your tactics aren't so good. You're not developing plans. That's middle game, which is really shady, man. I'll tell you another great thing too is the common conception is study end games. And you say, yeah, but I'm having a problem with the opening or the middle game. Yeah, but if you study end games, it'll make it's like it makes your calculation and stuff and your understanding of what's going on better. It kind of breaks it down to very simple stuff. That's very, very difficult, but it's very simple, but it's very difficult. I don't know if I was supposed to save this pawn, guys, but I'm saving it. Right? Cool. Okay, now I feel like this is pretty good. It's like, Dave Joyce is great. He just said, play the Italian. And I'll tell you, there's a ton of videos. How to play the Italian game in 10 minutes. E4. But they have to play E5. If they don't play E5, then you're not playing an Italian game. They're going to play C5. You know what I'm saying? But for E4, E5, play knight F3, bishop C4. That's I play E4, E5. I play bishop C4 first. I play a bishop's opening. That's dumb. Is this dumb? That's dumb. Okay, is this dumb? He has pressure. I'm down. I'm up a piece, but he has pressure. I'm gonna not lose. He hasn't done anything, so I'm not gonna do anything. I'm gonna improve my position. But I play E4, E5, I play bishop C4, but very often it transposes to a, I can come here now. To an Italian anyway. Yeah, no, he's gonna get that move in. Here, push. Takes, rook takes. No. Here doesn't help. Here threatens a pawn. Push, takes. Bishop takes. Or rook takes first and then bishop takes. No, I can't play rook takes first. I gotta play bishop takes. Maybe here? I watch videos, but it's like watching aerobic. I'm not getting in shape watching videos. Just getting started. Beginning lessons on chess.com. I didn't have that because bishop takes. But I could have maybe played something like this, but then he pushes. Force him off. Takes. And lose this pawn. I'm up a piece. I'm up a piece. The queen comes back. Good. Now, I think this is a great idea. So I'm playing it. He pushes. I take this skewering. If he doesn't, I take. Hey, what was that? It's your boy, C. It's your boy. Welcome, dude. Welcome to the chillers, man, on Twitch, dude. Thank you. Okay, now we go after his pawn. Or we probably take the file. What the heck? What in the world? Will subscribed on YouTube. Guys, the community is growing like weeds. It's growing like weeds, folks. Good weeds. Yeah. Okay. Now, I could bring a rook. An improvement. I'm going to do it. I love this move when I played it. It's your boy. How's it going? It's going great, dude. How are you doing, man? Today's tournament day. My first game, I was away from my board and I got a 0-point buy. Second game, I got completely flustered. The position was so insane. I didn't know what was happening. I said, this is the craziest chess game I've ever played before. And I resigned in equal position where I thought I was being crushed and I had a bishop. And bishop for 2 pawns. And I felt like I had no... Do we just go for it? Do we do this first, guys? Or do we, like, attack it this way? Oh, I could do this. And just start crushing, maybe? I think I can do this. I probably should have done this before in here. Because I have moves. There are moves, guys. There are moves and maneuvers! Boy, I'll tell you, this guy is the unsung hero. He's not doing anything crazy right now. Right? Now we're on this in a very big way. With everything we have. And he's going to end up being the crusher. He's the free piece, but at least this game, the free piece is really working. Thanks, Deb. I must be doing something wrong because I'm not going anywhere. Dude, if you're 1300, you've come a long way. Right? Now I'm just going to go here. He saw it, man. He saw it, guys. If I push, he takes, bishop takes, pawn takes. He saw it. That's a good move. Okay, so, so do we then go down the... We change plans and go down the file? C5 doesn't work because pawn takes, bishop takes, pawn takes. Because he defended it. He defended it. Do we trade a rook and bring the queen? I don't think we do. Do I bring the queen here and go in that way? I think I do. The 1300s today are over the top, folks. Playing very well. Okay. Attacking it from all sides, guys. This could be a move, too. I don't think I'm getting mated. Right? And then come. I dropped the rook. No, I didn't. I thought I dropped it! I thought I dropped it, guys. I thought I dropped it. I thought I dropped the rook. But my free piece saved it. Okay, brings. Come back. Probably better was here. Can't come over is a beauty because of the piece. Improve the position, folks. Just improve the position. Like a little rattlesnake Dude, Derpy Moose, that was an insane game, dude. We're both going to learn so much from that game. Abid said, good, Abid, how you doing, man? Welcome to the stream. Good game, Derpy. That was insane. You're up a whole bishop. I would stop trying to win a pawn and start attacking the king. I hear you, Alec, and that's a great plan on paper, but how are you attacking a king with no open files? My bishops are good. My bishops are good. Maybe I could have started coming over here, but he does have this. You know, I could have maybe forced the bishop off by trying to come over here. That was definitely an idea. I did consider it. But I feel like I was fine on the queen side, and I think I was a little bit lost at first, but I was so good that I thought I dropped a rook, and I didn't. I was so good over here with this free piece that I could do almost anything. And now from here, my next move is this move. You know what I'm saying? Rook c2. Okay, Stockfish wants f5. Oh, f5's a great move too. I didn't even consider f5 because this pawn's protected. Yeah. What a game, man. Derpy, you play good, dude. You play strong like bull. Last game of the round. Rautul versus Charlie Sardine. Charlie Sardine rated 624. No, that's... Is this Charlie Sardine's playing white? Yeah, H8. So black is Rautul. And Rautul is winning. Rautul just has to not get checkmate or not... you could do anything. Anything. He has squares. Just move. Yeah. Sacks it. Sacks it. And then he'll come here. And check and mate. And it's over. Good game, Rautul. And good try, Charlie Sardine. Rautul's twice Charlie Sardine's rating. Okay. Get your boards, folks. Get your boards. I got a game. I got Charlie Sardine. I'm playing E4. I already screwed up. Can I take it back? Why doesn't he trade rook with 1 minute on the clock? Even if it was a mistake. Maybe he made a mistake. It's a game of chess. It's a game of chess. C3 is the move, guys. It's the move. You don't believe it, but it is. It might not be. You have blundered against Derpy on move 7, but he missed it. What was it, Jimmy? You know what, Jimmy, don't tell me, because I look at the games tomorrow. So I will look at him tomorrow. And I believe that position, Stockfish says that position was a draw in that other game. No. I'm losing that game every time. I'm losing that game every time. There's no way I'm freaking pulling one out on that. And you know when I've ever said that before in my life, in the many tens of thousands of chess games I've played? Maybe 4 times. Yeah. No, I couldn't. It's like I wasn't even playing chess. Attack king. Brings the queen. You love to see it, folks. These are the things you love to see. Just castles? I'm going to just castles. You know why? I think you know why. Just castles. You play over the board tournaments as well. It's your boy. I used to. I don't know how many games I played over the board, but I played many, many tournament games over the board. Many. Like a lot. Like, they didn't give this to me, okay? The Pasadena Chess Club where Bobby Fischer used to go. I am the 1989 Pasadena Chess Club Class B champion. That's when I was a B player. I'm an A player now. 1870, something in the United States Chess Federation in classical chess. He comes back. Okay. I could come here and then take the pawn. Feels good. I'm doing it. Oh, Derpy. Dude, that was a good game, brother. That's like how many games my parents have played. Do they play Club Cannot Be Found? Chess Chillers. Oh, it saw the word chess and it gave you my link to chess to the thing, but it's not what I was trying to do. I want to take this. And I'm going to take this, hit the queen, and threaten the square. Good work. Good work, folks! I'm not sure, though. Okay, now I'm going to hit the bishop. I think we do it like this. I could get into trouble here. You see Sardino, a member, the workshops would be great for him. No. No, he's not. My mom played for England. It was the 14th highest rated woman in England in 2014. My dad's been coaching chess for about 25 years. So your parents are a little bit, they're a little bit ahead of the curve, of my curve, if you will. The only thing I don't like about this king, but look at all the clog. There's a lot of clog. This knight doesn't have a lot of good squares. This knight could come to this square, threatening to come here. And if he pushes, I could take, and if the bishop comes, I could play queen. So here loses the pawn, though. I'm going to play this move. Just to start getting my stuff together, guys. Kind of shoved me back to the defense of my pawn that I don't care about. I guess this is an okay move. Because everything holds, right? No, I'm coming here. You got to go to Norway because my mom played for England. And I got to meet a lot of the GMs and players in the tournament. Dude, it's a boy. That is so cool, man. So you're a chess baby. You're like Anna Cramling. Why am I so hungry? Did I not eat today? Wow, I have to take a bite of a banana. One sec. Guys, I didn't eat today? Okay. What did I win? I did this to trade queens, but now I'm like, do I want to trade queens? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to 7. I want a pawn in his king can't castle. So trading queens is probably good for him. So maybe I shouldn't have been trying to trade queens. There's a whole bunch of bad moves here. Okay. And he wants to push. No, he doesn't have it yet. He doesn't have it yet. I think we're okay. You met Magnus Carlson? When did you meet Magnus? How do you do? A Center of Foods Cooking. I'm back. How do you do? Just gonna do this for now. I have other ideas pending. Wow, okay, just takes the space. Do I come here? I think I might. For no reasons. And it's time to bring rooks where they are on open files or where they are doing something good and made of wood. Or at least something that's made of a simulated wood grain finish. This could be an idea. Even if it takes. No, because this would be loose. But yeah, he really wants to shove this, and he wouldn't play it here because I take with check. He would shove here. And then if I take, he would come here. No, but then I would have push. So I think I'm not worried about it. I think I'm going to bring a rook somewhere. How do you do? I'm not sure what you mean. Knock, knock. Just getting started. How you doing, brother? The 2014 Chess Olympiad. And your mom was there, like, for fun or to play the tournament? Right? The tactics by a 623 are insane. Absolutely ridiculous. 623s. I think I played Charlie Sardine before, and it was the weirdest. It was another weird game. This game is just weird because they're raiding, but because 623 is supposed to drop pieces, but I think when I played them last time, they were like 297. So I think they're just severely underrated. Who's there? Boo, boo hoo. Don't cry. To play for England's women's. Dude, that is so cool. That is really cool, man. I wish that my family was into chess, and they are not. But it's okay. It's got to start somewhere, right? Because I started playing chess, my daughters know how to move the pieces, and so does my son. And my daughters played Susan Polgar in a simul. Because of that, I introduced chess into my bloodline. Maybe they'll play chess with their kids. So your grandpa was really good. I wasn't really good, but they don't know the difference. They know I'm not good as Judah Polgar. Look at this move. He just does have the threat now. So bring this knight maybe, but then he's going to push with tempo on my bishop. King over, he's going to push with tempo on my bishop anyway. This is a freaking amazing move. It's an amazing, horrifying move. This might solve some of it. Might solve some of it, folks. Your accuracy is amazing. Well, you know, it could be a lot better. And I'm doing the best I can. And it's not just that I've been doing this a long time. I did learn a certain amount of chess when I was younger. You know, they say like young kids can become grandmasters, but old people can't. Well, I didn't become a grandmaster, but I got to a certain spot. And then when I was still like in my early 20s, I studied a lot. And that's still not too late to learn a lot. So I have some understanding that a lot of people be very difficult to get. But I'm not that good. Still not that good. You know, I'm just better than most people, but I'm way not that good. Throwing out the apple. It's like I've had people say in chat, like, if I could just get to 1300, I'd be happy. Okay. He abandoned that, which you love to see. What can I attack? Bring the last piece, maybe? Oh, he's going to push with a threat. He's going to push with a threat. So, just offer the trade. Offer the kindness. He's still going to have another threat, but it's more trade, and it's a... he'll lose a pawn here, he'd get his center pawn, which is huge, but he'd open up center toward his king and get rid of his bishop. His only developed piece, by the way. So, yeah, someone said, like, if I could just get 1300, I'd be fine, and it's like, no, you wouldn't. When you're 1300, you want to be 1400. People say, if I had $1 million, I would never work again. You know what? You would never have $1 million. With that mentality, you would never have $1 million. Anyone that's worked to get $1 million, they want $2 million. They ain't trying to... What's with the developmental? And it's so weird that this comes with... Yeah. I can't beat this 1600, guys. I think last time I played the 1600, I might have resigned. Or the 600, the 600, the 600. If I come here and he pushes, I can take and defend it. Let's do it. I can't beat the 600, guys. They're way too strong. I couldn't beat this person when they were 200. What happened since you? What happened since you were last 1800 elo? Are you talking about? Well, like I said, in the United States Chess Federation, in 40 moves in 2 hours over the board slow chess, I am 1870 something. Nothing happened. I stopped playing tournament chess. If you mean on chess.com, if I was 1800 before, I might have been. That's probably not an altogether bad move. Bad move. Do I do that? Do I do this? I kind of like this here, to be honest with you. It's okay. My bishop looks okay too. There's no infiltration squares is the problem. So do we advance? It doesn't do anything. It loses a pawn, actually. Do we improve our position? He has one piece out, and I feel like, I mean, it's a very, very strong piece, to be perfectly honest with you. I guess I'm going to come here. I'm going to take the file that's open, folks. Is my bishop a bishop to nowhere? I mean, I guess it would be better here, right? If I come back, he kind of wants to defend stuff. Very, very, very difficult position, guys. You say, what are you talking about, Charlie? He has 3 pawn islands, and you're up a pawn. It doesn't matter. He has a bishop pair, and I couldn't beat him when he was 200. Over the board, 1800 is far better than expected. Damn, though. Yeah, like I said, when I was younger, I spent a lot of time. And I would be much stronger. I was at a pretty weak chess club. But I did get to go to a chess club, which made me way stronger than a lot of people would get to be when I was young. But if there was like a coach there that was giving lessons to the kids once a week, dude, I'd be so much better right now. I would get chess books from the library and stuff and study them. And I learned. It's a great move, man. I saw it coming from a mile away. Do we come here? We make left doubloons. We make them this way, though? Because this doesn't really make them. You know what I'm saying? And this is kind of there. I'm going to play this move and keep playing chess and see what happens. Because I'll be perfectly honest, it looks like I'm in control right here, but I'm not 1,000%. Your parents had multiple GMs at their wedding because they're known in the English chess community, and my dad's won multiple tournaments up and down the country, which is quite cool. Dude, that's really cool. My dad is like a very, very accomplished guitar player. And so I have been able to make a lot of friends that are professional musicians. Actually, a lot of world-known musicians. Like world-class musicians, guys that are pretty famous in the music world. And they're my dad's friends. And that's given me opportunities to play with them too. I played with a lot of famous musicians. And it's made me a better guitar player. And a better frontman. It's made me a better guitar player and a better frontman. Did I blunder? I blundered, guys. I think he had this move. Guys. I think he had bishop here, hitting my rook, and I can't protect my bishop. It's so weird. I don't know. Did he have it? Most 2016 over the board. Yeah, well, I'll tell you another thing, Noah, if it makes sense, is you understand I'm talking while I'm playing right now. When I'm playing chess tournaments, I am... Can I go here? When I'm playing chess tournaments, I'm in shape. I pay money. I drive to the tournament. I commit 4 or 5 hours to play. And I give everything I have that whole time. Only for that chess game. I'm streaming right now. That means I'm talking while I play. Can I come here? He gets this. So I should have probably not given the file, but that's okay. I think I could come bishop. And then figure it out. No, it doesn't work. What did I say earlier? I said if you think I'm in total control right here, I am 1,000,000% not in control. I'm being destroyed right now. I am. I will never believe it's not true. Um, yeah, I should have never gave up the file, guys. It was huge. Why do you offer me a draw? You're going to beat me. You're going to crush me. Don't offer a draw when you're going to crush somebody. This was a bad move because this pawn is now a weakness. But the file was the biggest sin. Oh, wait! I have this. I didn't see it. I didn't see it. See, I thought that move was not there. I thought that move was not there, and I was just losing. I'm just not see. Wow. It's crazy, guys. It's I'm telling you guys. Don't offer draws. You already offered one draw. Okay. I think that's a pretty good move. I think that's a pretty good move. Now we come here. Come here? Or do I come... here? He has no moves. He has this move. And I come here and I win. Oh, wow. He just put his king one square away. He put his king a square away from doing it. Charlie Sardine, you're too strong, man. I can't play you. You're too strong. Your rating is like ridiculous. That was a good game. 600s don't play like that. You play really good. It was just like the 200 game we played the other day. Good game. Amazing game. I'm very, very lucky to have gotten out unscathed. I don't feel unscathed, though. Here we go. Yeah, rook. I didn't see rook d5, DA. I'm losing. Yeah, you're just rook. I didn't see it. I didn't see it. That's the problem, is I didn't see it. Branson, good. Good to be back, brother. Good to be back to chess. Playing someone named Charlie Sardine is actually hilarious. In your own tourney, love that. Exactly, Bilbo. It's pretty funny, huh? Okay. Okay, I'm going to play bishop e7 and castle, probably. Looks pretty safe. He's just going to get developed. You saw it, guys. There's a trap here. He saw the trap, folks. Good for him, though. Good for him seeing the trap. Now, this position is nothing special. I bet I've equalized. So now I just have to play good chess. I think I'm going this way. I think I'm going this way, guys. Are you playing with viewers? Saman, today is our tournament. We do it every week. This is number 250. That's 250 weekly tournaments. We've been doing this forever. And on Thursdays, I play viewers. No, that's the same thing as this versus viewers. No, this is a tournament. This is the chess tournament. I'm not winning this week, by the way. I got a first round loss because I was AFK, and then I, believe it or not, I think this is the move. It's the move, guys. So you got to play it. When you know it's the move, you got to play it, because I think I know it's the move. Now this bishop is coming this way. Like, could be maybe not too far. Yeah. And then he gave me the pawn. Did he give me the pawn? See, this is a real game. This is someone rated almost twice as much as the last game. But this just seems like a normal game to me of chess. I think we have to take this, right? Takes with a knight. Mucho interesante. I can't push. The blockade's coming. It's not the end of the world. The pawn is fine. Here, bishop takes, and the pawn is not fine. If I come here, I get hit. I could come here and get hit. I could come here and not get hit. I don't want to get hit, folks. And I have to move. It's in the rules! You beat me last time in 3 minutes, Charlie. My brain doesn't function that fast. Against viewers. Yeah. Could it be? No, there's not enough time just getting started. I'm sorry, brother. I mean, I'm not saying I'll never change it, but right now I have to do this programming and everything to the best of my ability for everybody. Yeah, so now 5 minute. I'm not saying it's never going to happen. I'm not saying it's never going to happen. But 3 minute is good. It's a nice, fun, relaxing chess scenario. Here queen takes. Here queen takes. Bishop takes. Is he on it? Is he getting it? I guess not if I do this and then push, but do I want to? Do I want to give up the bishop? Or do I come here? Nope. I think we give up the bishop because there are reasonable scenarii in this situation. Like here. Improving the Amigo's knight. Trading off this pin finally. Probably doesn't work. When it happens, 5 minute game, dibs for me first. You can't call dibs, brother. Dude, you'll get to play me a 5 minute game someday. Playing someone named yeah. This is a very sharp position. KGG player is wise to use some time. I'll be right back. What do you do? He plays takes. think I have to take, then he's going to play knight takes. He's going to be on my knight. With check. So I could come here and things could trade. He's probably going to win a pawn, I think is what's happening here. This doesn't work. There's no checks. I think I have to take. My brain is fried today, guys. There are 2 games today that fried my brain. Completely fried my brain. I come here and look at stuff. I got all kinds of threats here, guys. This open file could be something too. He's not going to have time to bring a rook. So I'm going to attack his knight. He's not going to be able to defend it. So knight takes pawn, I think, doesn't work, actually. So I'm trying to fight, guys. Good game viewers. TikTok. How you doing, Thomas Beckett? Good to see you, man. Welcome back. Welcome back. Yeah. Charlie Sardine is not real. It's like he's like way higher rated than that or something. Seriously underrated. Yeah, seriously underrated. People that are that underrated, I would ask you not to play the tournament. It'd be a good idea. Don't play the tournament till your rating gets caught up, just for the integrity of the tournament. Always look for the better move. Dude, I'll tell you this. On these games where I feel like I'm freaking getting completely crushed, I go back and look at them and I see I had better moves. I did. Tomorrow is gonna be eye awakening. Yeah. Well, like I said, a tournament or 2 ago, he was rated 200 something. So he's just severely underrated. But their rating will catch up. They're rated games, right? Okay, he plays. The only way to save the knight is to come here. But I don't think I'm losing. Did I lose a pawn yet? No, we're equal. I got a pawn a little bit out in a little place we like to call Looney Land. Looney Land. The land of Loon, folks. I think we're going to be okay. Because of this and this. Queen back, I think I play a rook over. Can't defend it. Check, I just take. Now you can re-attack, but I take attacking, and then the queen moves, and then might even be able to check. Depends where the queen goes. We'll see. This is a really weird tactical game, but this feels like a normal game of chess. I think we both made a lot of mistakes. Yeah. I mean, in addition to this, I'm threatening this, but it's not really even a threat. But the point is, you get the point. It's there. How does he defend the knight? If he attacks my knight, I take his queen. Takes, and I got queen for rook, I think. Queen for rook, guys, is it plays the knight check. Okay, so we got our knight. Do I have to take it? I'm in check. I'm not going to not take it, so just take it. The queen comes, but I can defend like this. Right? Ben ding. our current world champion. Okay, he's not the world champion, guys. Get it out of your head. And next move, we're bringing a rook. If we decide to. Okay, bring a rook. And then, I actually have this idea too. No, it's not even going to be there anymore. He could have maybe played f3. Move the knight. But I would come to c5. Yeah, because I was going to say he might have a check and pick the pawn up. I come to c5, he could kick, I just take. So I think I'm okay. He plays f3 now. Almost as if on demand. Does this do anything? Queen takes, rook takes, rook takes, takes. Rook goes somewhere, I take this rook. Takes, I take. So this could be the winning move. Shutting everything down. Can he attack the square? He can't. If pawn takes, I take his queen. If queen takes, rook takes, king takes, I'm on 2 rooks. Takes there, I take here. So this might be the move, guys. It's weird and scary to play because, you know, I want to play the best move. And it might not be the best move. Like, just knight c5. Then I can trade stuff. Then I can centralize the queens, get it a little bit in a better spot, right? Trade a pair of rooks, be up a piece. Knight. If he attacks my knight, well, he can't. He attack it this way. But I take. Takes, takes. He doesn't have a queen check. I think this is the move. This is probably safer, and this is what Dave Joyce would play. He'd play, oh, no, I'm okay. I'm just going to outplay him. And I'm up on the clock, too. Does this tactic work, though? I'm not looking at chat, guys. You guys are like, don't do it! Where it works! What are you guys saying? I don't know. I'm not looking. Liquidating. What happens? What happens, folks? Am I winning material? You guys are just saying knight f6? Knight f6? No, this forces trades. Worse that it goes, you'll be up queen versus rook. That's what I looked at. Istra. Yeah, that's what I analyzed. Glory awaits. It's a weird move, too. Yeah, I would have played knight c5, but knight g3 is fun. That's what... I'm like Dave Joyce. Because Dave Joyce is 2,300, guys. And he would just be like, I'm up a piece. I'm fully developed. There are... My king's on a weak diagonal, but there's no checks. We looked at this. Now I'm on 2 rooks. Okay. Oh! I didn't see it. I didn't see this move. That's why, Dave Joyce, that's why knight c5. That's exactly why knight c5. I didn't see this move, guys. See, this is why... Now, when you imagine playing a 40-2, guys, it's like a 4-hour, could be a 4 or 5 hour game, and maybe this move is winning. You think you're winning, and you sit there for 20 or 30 minutes just looking over and over and over again. Your brain starts to get a little dizzy. Your brain gets a little dizzy. You get up and drink some water. Splash some water in your face in the bathroom. And you think you looked at everything. I looked at that for what? A minute and a half? Right? Yeah, good game, dude. Good game. Man, what a tournament, guys. The results are in, but we have to look at our class world champion winners. Okay, the world overall chess champion is Bulletier. Bulletier, you were new world champion. There are other world champions. Magnus is a world classical champion. No, he's not anymore. Gukesh is a world classical champion. Okay, but he's a world champion. Magnus is the world champion in a lot of stuff. Rapid and Blitz and Bullet and all kinds of stuff, right? Whoever is the freestyle world champion. And you are our world champion. Bulletier, congratulations. The classes, Dave Joyce, are under 1,600, 1,200, 800, and 400. Are you going to look those up? Are you going to present that, Dave Joyce? If you're not, I can do it. But if you're still here, but it's 1,600, 1,200, 800, and 400. You see that? And dude, look at the turnout for the World Championship. 19 players, so someone did get in late. Yeah, someone did get in late. That's why I invented the Tiny Dr. Pepper cans. The Tiny Dr. Pepper pans. You're still winning. Yeah. Yeah, I think he was thinking he might be able to do something like this, but then... Dude, that was a crazy game, man. But that was a real game. Can we play a tournament? Matthew, we just played a tournament. It went for 2 hours. Just under 2 hours. Okay, so Matthew, we do a tournament every Wednesday. The stream starts at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. That's Texas time. Every Wednesday... That's when the stream starts and the tournament starts at 4. Get here early, hang out, join the tournament. Get involved in the hype. That is the Charlie Sardo Gaming Tournament, the community. It's okay, Matthew. I'm sorry you weren't too, but dude, hit the you're on YouTube, hit the sub button. It's free. Hit the like button too, that helps. And come back next week. This was our 250th tournament. Our 250th weekly tournament. That's how long we've been doing this. Streaming it. Not on YouTube the whole time. Facebook for the first few years. We just got to YouTube and Twitch recently. Dude, Derpy, man. It was fun. Derpy, play next week, brother. Good game, man. Good game. Cool. Okay, guys. Dave Joyce is coming up with all of the winners. He has to very painstakingly look at the list. He has to look at all the categories because... Well, Bulletier is our world chess champion in the open section. There's going to be an under 1,600. So if you're under 1,600, might want to wait around and see if you won. First prize. That means the person with the most points under 1,600 gets the under 1,600 world championship title. And anyone that's under 1,200, the person under 1,200 with the most points in their category, under 1,200. Will be the world under 1,200. They do this all the time. It's not just us, guys. They do this in other tournaments, in regular over-the-board tournaments. And what do they have? They have a world under 12 champion, world under 16, world under 18. They have all the different categories, right? And if there's a under 800, and these are after tournament ratings, though, guys. Okay, because we can't go back and look. And then if you're under 400 and you showed up. Is there any under 400? There's not. If you are rated lower than 400 and you would have played today, you would have won the World Chess Championship under 300 category by default, which is better. It's better to, I mean, what, if you could just win for free, without even have to do anything. Did you reach 1,500? No, but we picked up like another 20-something points. 1,470 or something? I don't want to go away from it yet because I'll have to go away from this list because Dave Joyce's type is coming up with the winners. Is there a Charlie Starter Club on the chess app? Thomas Beckett, yeah, you didn't know? It's called Chess Chillers, man. It's called Chess Chillers. Thomas Beckett. Chess Chillers. That's the name. You go to, I think it's community now, right? Community, and then you go to clubs. And it'll say search. Search for Chess Chillers, just like that. Join the club. It's free. You're looking to start my first over-the-board tournament. Any advice for where? Matthew, you're going to have to look in your area. Google, ChatGPT, where you are and where's my nearest chess club. That's where you can start. You start at your nearest chess club, and then you get there, and they'll tell you where the nearest, coolest tournaments are. They might be right at that club. A lot of chess clubs have tournaments. When are you trying to climb to 1500? I've been doing that on the chess stream, not on Wednesdays or Thursdays. Either Monday or Tuesday, I'll do a road to 1500. There's no way. Derpy! Derpy! Coming in with the prime sub. Hey, Derpy, wait, don't go anywhere because I got to tell you this, guys. Everyone listens. It's very important. There's a chess workshop this Saturday at 3 p.m. Same time stream starts normally. 3 p.m. Central Standard Time, Texas time, 3 p.m. There's a chess workshop. This is for Facebook supporters, Twitch subscribers like Derpy just became qualified for, and YouTube members. If you're watching on YouTube, click join. See what it takes. You want to get involved? Twitch, click the subscribe button. You know what that is if you're watching Twitch. And you can use your Prime. Facebook, hit the little thing. This thing. Where is it? We hardly see this anymore, folks. The supporter badge. Become a supporter, right? And then I do a private stream to only the subscribers, the supporters, and the members. Not a regular sub on Twitch. On YouTube. That doesn't do it. It's got to be the monthly support of the stream. And we do a private stream. And you tell me your name on chess.com, and I pull up one of your games, and we look at it, and we all learn from it. And we've been doing the workshops for probably 4 years, and it's helped a lot of people. It listening to someone higher rated than you explain a few things can help. And I don't teach you what I think, because just because I might be rated higher than you doesn't mean I should be getting too deep into the weeds on teaching. Okay? But when I see you're doing something wrong that a creepy old man says is in his book, I say, hey, Yasser Serouan told us this. Feeding Master David Bassett told us this. Daniel Naroditsky told us this. And I make quotes. Grandmaster a lot of times. And it's a fun hangout private chess stream. And you get that by being a supporter like Branson Collins. Yeah, or like Derpy. I hope Derpy got that. Oh, Dave Joyce. Guys, we have the results. Okay. I'm going to see if I can copy these and post them in the other one. Okay. Here we go. There we go. These are the results, guys. And I'm going to read them out. These are from our chess tournament aficionado, official, Dave Joyce. Thanks for being here, Dave Joyce. Congratulations to Bulleteer, Eco Voyager, KTG player, Demon AK-47 on winning the Open, the under 1600, the under 1200, and the under 800 World Championships. We don't have an under 400 at this time, unfortunately. So, Bulleteer, you are the World Champion. Eco Voyager, you are the under 1600 World Champion. KTG player, you are the under 1200 World Champion. Tell your friends. And Demon AK-47, you won the under 800 prize with the most points, under 800 points, with 2 out of 5. And you say, man, I'm too low rated to win the tournament. When we do the World Championship, you're competing for a World Championship title, and you guys just earned it. Be proud of it. Crushing it, guys. Good job, man. Good job. Yeah, great games. Everyone fought really hard today, man. What a good day. What a good day. I can't wait to look at these games tomorrow. I am completely freaking it. That one game freaked me out so bad, and then another game freaked me out. So it has to tell me maybe it wasn't the games, maybe it was me being freaked out. Hey, right? If everyone around you's, you think everyone around you is crazy, you might be the crazy one. You know, so we're going to find out. We're going to find out. We're going to look at the games tomorrow. Thank you guys so much, man. What a great freaking day. I'm looking forward to some Elden Ring tonight. I'm going to be gaming. I don't know if it's going to be Dark Souls 2 or Elden Ring, but we do have a gaming stream that starts at 8 p.m. I'm going to figure out what to make for dinner and drink lots of water so I don't have to keep licking my lips. I must be dehydrated. And I love you guys. Thank you guys for a great tournament day. I had a blast. I had a great time. Congratulations on the winners, all the new world champions. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Well, I'll see you guys tonight at 8 for the gaming stream. Good night.